Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a video based on a question that I get asked a lot about makeup. How I put on my makeup, how I do my makeup. I'm not like the biggest makeup person. This is what I look like most of the time, no makeup, just plain faced, you know. But for streams, for videos, I tend to wear makeup more. And obviously for photo shoots, and I'm going to be doing photo shoot makeup today, along with a little bit of a sneak peek at the behind the scenes of a photo shoot and some of the end products of that photo shoot. I was lucky enough to get sent a package from YesStyle, which is wrapped super cutely, with some makeup and a few looks to do some photo shoots with, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, let's get into it. The first thing that I was super surprised about is that I opened the package and it was wrapped. Like, this was wrapped and I was not expecting that, so there's a nice little thank you card from YesStyle. It just has their name on the back. I thought that was kind of cute. Now I'm going to unwrap a package on video, and you guys don't have to watch this. It's probably gonna be skipped anyway because I'll probably struggle with unwrapping it. My editor might hate me and put part of this in if I really struggle, so we'll just we'll leave it and see how that goes. There's so much tape and even more tape. Let me get a knife. First thing in the package is a dress, which I will show you guys later. All of the clothing will be shown later, but for now, we're here for the makeup so I can do my makeup. Some brow gel. Always need some brow gel. I always make sure my brows are done, even if I don't do any makeup. If I'm going out, my brows are very uneven, so I always make sure my brows are done and nice. Cheek and lip cream for the color. Eyeshadow. Lip gloss. It has sunscreen in it. Always good to have anything, any chapstick that you have sunscreen if you're going outside, which these pictures will be done outside. Sunscreen, also important if you're going out in the sun. I don't care if you've never been sunburnt a day in your life. I haven't. Sunscreen on your face is very important. I know I said I'd show you all the clothes later, but I'm really excited about this hat. It's ice cream. It's so cute. Now, the important part is the makeup. I am doing all J Beauty makeup. I know you guys have heard of K Beauty, but have you heard of J Beauty? If you haven't, now you have. And this video is sponsored by YesStyle. And if you want to use the code 10ANais, it's in the description below, along with a link. You can get 10% off your order there. Now let's get to the good part. Actually putting makeup on. So first things first, every time I do my makeup, I put on a headband. Usually some sort of animal ears. Today, we were lucky enough to get some cat ears. I just like my hair out of my face. It's not gonna go into my makeup. It's not gonna get in the way. It's not gonna go into my eyes. I'll just stay out of the way. So I do have a few blemishes today. I broke out this morning, so I will be putting some cover up on. But first I'll put my sunscreen on. It's Mermaid Skin Gel. It's SPF 50. I usually do something it's very shiny. It's a mermaid look, so it's extra shiny. There you go. I usually do something that's SPF 30, but SPF 50 is even better. Since I will be out in the sun shooting, I will have to reapply. So I plan on going in the water and doing some. I'm just gonna put some on my oval brush. Usually use my fingers, but since I have a brush, let's put out my oval brush and apply it all over. You can also use it as a primer. Sorry, it's going over my lips. You can also use it as a primer under your makeup if you would like. It works well as a primer, but I do not plan on... There's a cat. I don't plan on putting any foundation on today, so I'm just going to be putting some sunscreen on to keep my skin safe from the sun. I don't get sunburned, but if I do, my cheeks usually just get flushed. It's not sunburn, but my cheeks always get flushed in the summer. I'm very sensitive to the heat, so my face likes to turn red, so maybe I should be putting some foundation on, but since I plan on being in the water, I decided against it. It's always days that I plan on shooting that my face decides to break out. Or days I decide to make a video, or this one happens to be both. Next, I will be doing eyeshadow and eyeliner. I plan on using the brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner since I usually use a brown eyeliner anyway. I figured a brown eyeshadow. I want to add some blue into the look for sure, since all of the outfits I bought for this are blue. Also, big props to me, I forgot to, since I stream, twitch.tv/AuthenticallyAnais. Also, link in the description. If you're not already following me on Twitch, you should be. But I stream, so I never have my cam mirrored, and I'm doing my makeup in my cam, and it's not mirrored. So if you see me struggle a little, that's why. It's because I'm definitely not mirrored right now, and I've gotten a little bit used to it, but it's still a little difficult for me to navigate not being mirrored. I'm gonna take the color in the upper right corner and put that over the rest of my lid. I tend to like natural looks, so when I think about J-Beauty, I think about more natural looks, and I like to do a lot of outdoor shoots with a more natural look just to kind of, especially if it's outdoors like in nature, I like it to be, it matches the environment that I'm in. I'm not going to do a bunch of false lashes and crazy colorful makeup in nature personally because it just doesn't really speak to me, and I prefer to keep it more natural for it. And lastly, I'm going to take the blue in the lower left corner and put it all over the outer corner of my eye, a little bit into the crease. And I'm gonna blend them all together when I'm done. Then use the brown for eyeliner because I really like a brown eyeliner. And since it's not a shimmery color, it doesn't really go with the makeup that I'm going for today. And it will look really good as a liner. Some more blue. Can never have too much blue. I really like doing blue makeup, and I like wearing a lot of blues. I realized going through my closet recently to get rid of stuff that, like, 80% of my closet is blue. Blue's not even like my favorite color or anything. I just wear a lot of it apparently. Very natural, little bit of blue. Once it's all blended in, it's a little bit of blue, I promise. A little bit of blue. Take our liner brush, grab the brown in the lower right corner. Just line the bottom lid. The bottom line, not lid, sorry. Line the other side, bottom lid, lid, line. I know words, I can speak English, I promise. So most of my eyeliners are brown, except for two that I use often. Then I have a white liner for when I use it sometimes. I have a black liquid liner, then I have a blue pencil liner that I use sometimes when I just want blues to pop a little bit more. It's a dark blue. But I like brown liners a lot because they're very natural looking. I tend to use eyeshadow as an eyeliner, at least for the bottom lid often. We're using it for both today. I can fix this eye a little bit. One eye's always easier for me to do than the other. I think that's for most people. Most people have an eye that just cooperates way more, way easier. And then one eye that likes to give you a bit of problems. For me, it's usually my right eye cooperates. Today, it's saying nah. It's because I'm not using liquid liner. It's saying, what are you doing to me? Gotta do the brows. Always have to do the brows. So I was supposed to have re-bleached my hair and bleached my eyebrows by now, but I haven't. As you can tell, my eyebrows are dark, and my hair, well, my roots are always out, but my hair is not as blonde as I want it for the summer. But we'll pretend. So, this is a little bit lighter than I normally do. Actually, it actually takes to the dark eyebrows really well. I'm surprised. Usually, since it's a lighter color, And I'm really happy with this brow stuff, actually. Wow. I actually took to my dark brows really well and it made them lighter, which usually these don't make my brows very much lighter at all. So I'm very happy. This is actually quite wonderful. Since when my hair is lighter, I like my brows to be a little bit lighter too, and this is perfect. This is exactly what I want. This is like exactly the color that I wanted them to look like. So if you have dark brows and want to make them lighter, this is definitely something you should use. It's heavy rotation eyebrow color, so you can see it. There we go. Heavy rotation color eyebrow from YesStyle, and it actually really did lighten my eyebrows. I'm probably going to go over it one more time on each side to try and get them just more uniform, since my eyebrows are quite uneven. I tend to like a little bit more of a bushy, that's why I'm using more of an upward stroke than just filling them in. Okay, this stuff is actually really amazing. I really love this. I'm used to eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is pigmented, as I expected, but this is more pigmented than I expected, which really does make me happy. It makes me very, very happy. Look at that, it lightened my eyebrows to the shade that I wanted them. It's amazing. I'm really very happy with this. No look is complete without blush. At least I say. That's what I say. No look is complete without blush. But it is a blush and it's a cheek and a lip gel. So I tend to like my blushes to be a little bit orangey since without lighting, I have pretty olive undertones. So I like my blushes to be a little bit orangey, so I got one that has a bit of an orange tint to it. It goes on really smooth, as you can see, it just goes on no problem. It goes on and just blends right in. And I don't have foundation on. I imagine with foundation it would blend in much nicer. Much easier, I guess. Not nicer. It blends in very nicely. A little bit more color on this side. I also always put blush on the tip of my nose just to... Maybe it's because I'm on TikTok and it's like a TikTok thing, but I always blush my nose because I think it looks really cute. And lastly, no look is complete without chapstick. Or lip cream. Lip cream, chapstick, and lip gloss literally all mean the same thing to me. I know they're not all the same thing, but I always use them interchangeably. I know they're not the same thing. But it has SPF in it, and it's a good little, easily portable lip cream. I'm struggling. Okay. Lip cream. It's just DCH lip cream. Moisturizing. Now that my lips are nice and moisturized, I can put on some of the lip and cheek cream to get some color on my lips. Just for a little bit of an added touch of color, since the look is very natural. Tiny bit of color to the lips. And don't forget to pack your sunscreen and lip cream into your bag because you need to reapply sunscreen, and it never hurts to have some lip cream on you for when your lips need some added moisture. And I'll be right back with an outfit change so you guys can see the completed look all together. I said I'd be showing you the fits, and here they are. First up is a t-shirt dress. I love t-shirt dresses. I can wear them hiking if I just pair them with some spandex. I can wear them with a belt to add a little bit of a cute little accent, or pair them with an ice cream hat to make the whole look just come together. I really love this hat, and I'm going to try and make it work with everything in my closet. I also bought this because I could wear it as a cover-up with the bikinis I bought. Sometimes you just want something really comfy, super lightweight, you won't sweat too much, you don't have to worry about the sand in it, and that's what a t-shirt dress is perfect for. Speaking of bikinis, this one I got for family outings. I wanted something with support, but also with full coverage. I realized most of my bikinis don't fit me anymore since I've gained weight, so I wanted something that really just covers the butt. Don't need that booty popping out in front of my abuelita. I had to buy it in a size bigger than I normally would to make sure it would cover, and I don't regret doing it. It fits really nicely, and I really love it. Last bikini is more of a bikini for a day trip with friends or to a private pool somewhere. It's a little bit less coverage, a little bit less support, but that booty has no coverage. But I really, really like this bikini, and of course, everything I bought goes with the ice cream hat. Everything's centered around it, and thanks so much for watching me try on these outfits.